When you're managing a client's social media, at some point you need them to authorize their accounts in Metricool. If you don't want to ask for their credentials or invite them to the workspace, you can simply generate a link, send it over to them, and they can easily connect their social networks in a few clicks without creating a Metricool account. Now, in order to do that, you'll have to go in here and click on connections. And since the link you're going to send is connected to a specific brand, you have to make sure that the brand is here in connections. And if it's not, then you can also go ahead and click on add brand to insert a new one. Generating the link is very simple. You have to go and click on the little share icon over here, and you're gonna copy the link and send it over to your client basically. On the client side, when they're gonna open the link, this is what they're going to see. Again, no login needed. The only thing they have to do is to pick which platforms they want to connect and authorize, and that's basically it from their side. Now back to the link, I want to mention that it does expire. As you can see here, the link will expire in 71 hours. So if the client does not use it in time, you can always come back and generate a new one. Or if you generated a link and you don't need it anymore, you can just click on deactivate link to deactivate. So once the client is done, you can go back in here and check that the expected accounts show up as connected. And I want to clarify, the link only handles social network connections. It doesn't give the client any access inside Metricool. And just like that, your client's networks are connected in Metricool without them needing to create an account or without the back and forth of sharing credentials. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments, and if you want to try out Metricool, you can find the link in the description.